Welcome back to the channel. The 2025 Pontiac Firebird Formula 455 is a bold return to the muscle car scene, blending nostalgia with cutting-edge performance and modern technology. With an aggressive design, monstrous power under the hood, and a driver-focused interior, this machine is built for those who crave raw, unfiltered performance. The moment you lay eyes on it, the Firebird Formula 455 commands attention with its wide stance, sculpted body lines, and signature split grille. This design pays homage to the legendary Firebird lineage while incorporating modern aerodynamic enhancements. The LED headlights feature a unique sequential lighting pattern, giving the car a menacing presence even before it roars to life. The front bumper is aggressively sculpted, with large air intakes that channel air to cool the high-performance engine and brakes. Every detail serves a purpose, from the hood scoops that aid in engine cooling to the aerodynamic splitter that enhances stability at high speeds. The result is a front-end design that is both intimidating and functional. Moving along the side, the Firebird Formula 455 retains its muscular profile with prominent fender flares and a low-slung stance. The sculpted bodywork gives the car a sense of motion even when parked, while the aerodynamic side skirts improve airflow and reduce drag. The wide, staggered 20-inch wheels wrapped in high-performance tires provide maximum grip whether on the street or the track. Behind the front wheels, functional air vents help dissipate heat from the brakes, ensuring consistent stopping power during aggressive driving. The roofline flows seamlessly into the rear, creating a fastback-like silhouette that enhances both aesthetics and aerodynamics. The side mirrors feature integrated turn signals and are aerodynamically shaped to minimize wind resistance. The overall design is a perfect balance between muscle car aggression and modern sophistication, making the Firebird Formula 455 a true head-turner. At the rear, the Firebird Formula 455 continues its aggressive theme with a set of futuristic LED taillights inspired by the classic Firebird models of the past. The lights illuminate in a dynamic sequence, adding a modern touch to the retro design. A sculpted rear bumper houses an integrated diffuser that enhances aerodynamics and stability at high speeds. The quad exhaust tips emit a deep, throaty roar, a signature sound that muscle car enthusiasts crave. The prominent rear spoiler is not just for looks. It provides real downforce, keeping the car planted at high speeds. The classic Firebird emblem sits proudly on the decklet, reminding everyone that this car carries a legendary heritage. The rear design perfectly complements the aggressive front and side profiles, ensuring that the Firebird Formula 455 looks just as intimidating when it disappears into the distance. Stepping inside, the cabin of the Firebird Formula 455 is a perfect blend of classic muscle car charm and modern luxury. The driver-focused cockpit is designed to put everything within reach, creating an immersive driving experience. Premium materials such as leather, alcantara, and carbon fiber adorn the interior, giving it a high-end feel. The seats are sculpted for both comfort and support, featuring bolstering that keeps you firmly in place during spirited driving. The dashboard houses a fully digital instrument cluster that can be customized to display various performance metrics from G-forces to lap times. The center console features a large touchscreen infotainment system powered by GM's latest Ultralink software, offering seamless smartphone integration, navigation, and real-time performance data. The steering wheel is wrapped in alcantara with a flat bem design, enhancing grip and adding to the sporty feel. Paddle shifters provide instant gear changes for those who opt for the automatic transmission. For audiophiles, the optional Bose Performance Series sound system delivers crystal clear audio, ensuring that whether you're listening to music or the growl of the V8, the sound quality is nothing short of exceptional. Beneath the hood lies the heart of the Firebird Formula 4.5-6. Liter, a supercharged V8 engine that produces an astonishing 650 horsepower and 640 lp-Fm of torque. This power plant is a tribute to the legendary 455 engines of the past, but re-engineered with modern technology for maximum efficiency and performance. The engine is mated to either a 6-speed manual transmission for purists who love full control, or a lightning-fast 10-speed automatic for those who prefer seamless power delivery. The result is a blistering 0-60 mph time of just 3.5 seconds and a quarter-mile run in the low 11s. But this car isn't just about straight-line speed, it's built for handling as well. The magnetic ride control suspension system adapts to road conditions in real time, providing a perfect balance between comfort and performance. The chassis has been engineered for maximum rigidity, ensuring precise cornering and stability at high speeds. Brembo high-performance brakes provide immense stopping power, allowing drivers to push the Firebird to its limits with confidence. The car also features multiple drive modes, including track mode, which optimizes throttle response, transmission shifts, and suspension settings for maximum performance. With all this power and technology, the Firebird Formula 455 offers serious value for a modern muscle car enthusiast. The base model starts around $65,000, making it a competitive option against rivals like the Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat and the Ford Mustang Dark Horse. For those who want the ultimate Firebird experience, fully loaded versions with performance upgrades and luxury features can push past the $80,000 mark. This pricing positions the Firebird as a serious contender in the muscle car segment, offering a perfect blend of heritage, power, and modern features. For those considering the Firebird Formula 455, the decision comes down to what they prioritize in a muscle car. If you're looking for raw power, aggressive styling, and an immersive driving experience, this car is an absolute dream. The combination of a supercharged V8, advanced suspension, and cutting-edge technology makes it one of the most exciting releases of the year. However, if fuel efficiency and practicality are high on your list, this might not be the car for you. The Firebird is built for enthusiasts who appreciate performance over economy. It's a car that begs to be driven hard, delivering an adrenaline rush with every press of the throttle. The 2025 Pontiac Firebird Formula 455 is more than just a revival of a legendary nameplate. It's a statement that muscle cars are far from dead. With its aggressive design, monstrous performance, and modern technology, it proves that Pontiac still knows how to build a car that excites. Whether you're a longtime Firebird fan or a newcomer to the muscle car scene, this car delivers everything you could want from an American performance machine, so you can feel What are your thoughts on the return of the Firebird? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth car content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.